Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Well, I had to set aside the little house that I'm working on, the little birdhouse, because we're getting so close to the holidays that I've got to do Christmas stuff. Not for the channel, not for the shop, for my family. And I realized I wrapped all the gifts and I don't have any gift tags. But this summer at Naomi's garage sale, I bought these. So I thought initially I could use these as price tags and stuff like that at my booth because I could write on them with silver Sharpie, and I still have the silver Sharpie, which I'm going to use to write the names on it. But I'm going to make these my Christmas tags because my Christmas wrapping paper this year is black and silver, and it is more festive than it sounds. I said my wrapping paper was black and somebody lost it. It's not a Christmas color. Well, it is if you do it right, Karen. Because I said it was, and it says Happy Holidays on it. So I think this will accent it quite nicely. However, I want to create something special on each ornament for each person, or each tag for each person, so that they could possibly hang it as an ornament if they wanted to afterwards. So we're going to do that today. And I had all of the little transfers, the Christmas transfers that I bought, and I'm like, let's use them. So I have things like this train cut out because my brother-in-law loves trains, so we're going to use that for him. My sister loves the little gnomies. My mother-in-law likes coming and ice skating with us, little things like that. My great nephew gets a rocking horse. So we're going to make some gift tags, and then hopefully they'll like them. And if they don't, they can throw them away. They're just paper, and I paid 50 cents for this, and I've already, used half the transfer, so it's fine. Let me get you guys switched around. Let's make some tags. There may be glitter. There may have to be some glitter. Not everyone's a fan of the glitter, but I'll make sure it doesn't fly around or come off, so that when it gets to their house, it still has the glitter on it. All right? So it'll be all right. Okay, and I just think these tags are going to be so cute. I've got, like I said, silver Sharpie. Let's start with my mother-in-law's. I'm going to start with this. Come on. I'm going to start with the skates, because she had a pair of these skates. She still does. She comes over and skates on our rink in our yard. My husband makes an Olympic-sized rink every year. So this will be a fun one, I think, for her. And I don't know specifically what the rub-on transfers are made for. I've been putting them on little houses and all that stuff, but these tags are kind of perfect for that. Oh, I don't have any fingernails. There we go. Ooh. I'm not a fan of these transfers, though. They're not coming off the way I feel like they should. Okay. So that's a cute one. Let's do, let's get them all transferred before we start glittering. So just go to town and transfer. All right, so I've got the Aleene's glitter snow because like on here, there's a little snow on the running board and stuff like that. I want to see if this is enough glitter for me for this. If not, I'm just gonna get a little extra glitter. And the bumper here has snow along it. I'm gonna give it a raised texture a little bit. And looks like there's some on the hood. Fender. Nope, I need more glitter. So we're just gonna shake a little more glitter on. Might as well dump it in the Aleene's because it's never gonna be enough glitter for me. So much better. Ah, I like that. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna glitter up some stuff. One less thing on my list to do. I don't have to run to the store. Don't want to run to the store. Some of them turned out so cute with their glitter. Oh, I love them. This one with the window. Love that. Got a little heavy-handed with the gold on the train. So I think I'm going to actually scrape a bit of that off here. Let's see. Just taking the burnt bits off the toast. Scrape it off. We'll be fine. It's not burnt, it's well done. All right, better. That's better, actually. Got a little heavy-handed on it with the gold, but I like it anyway. I like that I actually got it to fit on there without going up and down. That was kind of a moment for me. I'm not going to lie. The house. Santa's beard looks amazing, all glittered up. I'm happy. I'm going to let this glitter dry for a hot second. Yeah. The Aleene's is not dry yet, but they're so cute. The snowman. And my mother-in-law's skates. Oh, this one's so cute. Because they look like they're sitting on the snow. I love that. Just get my silver Sharpie out and start writing names. Actually, I think I might leave it for Victoria to write the names because she has better handwriting than I do. So she can make it look super pretty as opposed to my serial killer scrawl. Anyway, that's my project for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.